Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off closet for camera on your Amazon shopping app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this markdown, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you click here on permissions, and you go to next window here, so you just waiting to show for you a window like this, and you just go down here, so you keep going and you come here to closet, you will click here on this mark or this color, and you just switch into color, it's gone. That's main closet, it's turned off now for camera on your Amazon shopping. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know you are it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.